Alright guys, so we are still in the area where we found the Euathlus species. It is pine forest and a lot of oak trees here, and we just found a different species of a different genus. So in this area also lives Homoeomma. Homoeomma is a genus also native to Chile, and there are at least 2 species known. One of them is the one we know as Homoeomma species Fire or Red, which has a red field of hair right between the carapax and the opistosoma. So this is the small juvenile specimen we just found under a rock. So we will continue our search in the hope that we find a bigger female, maybe a mature male, and we'll keep you updated on this task. Alright guys, so under the same rock we just found 2 specimens of Homoeomma species Red. One of them is a most likely adult female, and the other one is a spiderling. So quite nice to see that we have all sizes now. We'll put them back under the stone, but we'll get some shots of them first, some close-up macro shots, so you can see all the detail and enjoy them as we do here. Time skip. If you liked the video, please leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. So now, enjoy your video. Alright guys, so we found 3 specimens, and of course we'll continue our search in this area, but we'll get the drone up to get some shots of the habitat so you can enjoy the nature here better and see where the species actually lives and how you should treat them when you keep them as pets. So see you. that's the end of the video. If you liked it, please leave a comment below. We'll answer all of your questions, even the ones regarding your pet tarantulas. And make sure you subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notifications on the left side so you always get an email when there is a new video from us. So yeah, see you in the next video then.